In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Discord soundboard not showing up in the server. For this, try uninstalling Discord by going to the settings and installed apps. So then searching for Discord and try uninstalling it from here and reinstalling it again. If that doesn't solve the problem, then press Windows button plus R, then open run command and type in %appdata% and then click on OK. And here you'll see the Discord folder. Click on Discord folder and press delete. Click on yes and try deleting it. If this pop-up is showing at your desktop, quit the Discord from the taskbar and then try opening Discord again and then log into your Discord. And here you'll see that sound box will be visible. Go to your server and then go to the general section and your soundboard will be visible. First we'll have to go to the server setting, click on soundboard and check if these are working. So they are working, and here we'll go to general section. So here we can see the soundbox button is visible. So that's how we can do it. Like and subscribe if you found this video helpful.